Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you a flip through of my new junk journal. Hope it inspires you. Also, I have an entire tutorial on how I made this journal from scratch. If you are interested in making one, I will leave the link to that video in the description box and also on the icon. I kept the cover look vintagey because I have strong admiration for vintage looking journals. The image that you see on the cover is from the website called flickr.com. I have 8 signatures in total and they are kind of loosely bound because of the crochet thread. The journal measures 14.5 centimeter by 20 centimeter and the spine measures 4.5 centimeter. These are the charms and I have the spraying wheel which I got from Sikkim, and a Christmas tree, and this cute little planet charm, and also this folk charm which I got from an Instagram store, and also an heartin which my friend gave like 4 or 5 years back. She told me she had made that with safety pins, so I thought it's a very good idea to add it in my charms. Let's get inside. On the inner cover, I have this tuck spot where I have this card in which I can write the dates when I started and when I ended this journal. On the very first page, I have this pattern paper which I got from Itsy Bitsy very long back. I don't know if it's only me or it's for everyone. Whenever you have those beautiful pattern papers, you don't tend to use it, but I finally encouraged myself and used it in my journal this time. Then I have this coffee dyed sheet and this children's book page which has this envelope attached to it. Bouquet sheet, color paper, pattern papers. These are pattern papers that I printed at my home. I just printed it on a drawing paper. Coffee dyed sheet, and I have a tag attached to that with a paper pin. So this time I kept the color scheme of the papers in blues, violets and greens, but there are reds in between. This is a magazine paper. I felt that it went well with a violet paper, so I included that. Also, I did not bulk my journal with a lot of pages because my journals get chunkier usually at the end. I love chunky journals, so that's why I did not add a lot of pages to my journal. Coffee dyed sheet, and this is a journaling card that I got from an Instagram store. If you're interested in buying, I will leave the link to that store in the description box. So that's a 6 by 6 inch page, and this is a pattern paper again from flickr.com which I printed it on a drawing paper, and a paper bag, and I folded it from the top so that I can slip something inside there. So my older journal had a lot of white pages, I thought, which lacked a lot of color in the layouts, and every time I had to use my pattern papers or color papers to fill that blank white space. That's why this time I added a lot of color and pattern paper in my journal. This is a workbook page, spiral bind cover, naturally aged workbook page, more coffee dyed sheet, and that's a 6 by 6 inch page. So that's a children's book page again, which has this cute elephant picture. I love elephants, so I added this to my journal. And this is a baking sheet which I coffee dyed. And here I have this 6 by 6 inch page which I folded it to form a triangular shaped page. This is a pattern paper which I made using bubble wrap, and then I coffee dyed it. So yes, there's not a lot of pages, as I told you that my journals would get chunkier later, and soon I'll be posting a video of my completed journal, and I'll be starting my junk journal with me with this new journal. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post junk journal videos every Tuesdays and DIY videos every Saturdays. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.